Here's a program that I wrote to cut the butt caps down, which my butt caps are 3 inches, but this I wrote to cut the butt cap down from a square that's 3 inches by inch and a half by inch and a half. Typically when I do these, I'll cut the entire blank long enough to where I can just cut off 3 inches and be done with it. But anytime that you have leftover material, there's no sense throwing it away. So I just wrote a program on my CNC lathe to where I can use those scrap pieces to cut a butt cap down to 1.35, which is plenty big enough to build a queue with, and it's completely hands off. So let me get the vacuum turned on, and then I'll crank it up and let you see it. It only takes about 4.5 minutes, and honestly, you really can't beat that, because you can be doing all kinds of other things while this is cutting you a free butt cap. So give me a second to turn the vacuum on. You're probably not going to be able to hear me, so I'm not going to talk. So what I'll do is turn the vacuum on, then I'll come back, turn the machine on, and like I said, it'll take about 4.5 minutes, but it's got a great outcome. It's a perfect butt cap every time. Hold on just a second. Alright, got the vacuum on. Now let me turn the rotary on. I have the rotary spinning at about 200 RPM. Actually, it's 216, but anywhere between 200 and 216 RPM, and you're going to be fine. Now, once I turn the router on, you're not going to be able to hear me. So I'll turn the router on, and then I'll go ahead and run the program. Once it's finished, I'll cut the program off, and I'll show you a close-up. earlier I had said that I mentioned butt cap, I think 2 or 3 times. What I meant was a butt sleeve. My butt sleeves are 3 inches long, and this, yeah, again, it's scrap material. This is curly maple, but it's something that I would have thrown away if I had not written the program to do this. And it works out perfect. You go from a 1.5 by 1.5 square to a perfect finish. No need to even sand it really. 1.35 inch in diameter butt sleeve. And again, it's completely hands off. You could be doing all kinds of other things. It's free labor, and it was a fun program to write. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks.